My hair was like silk. Silk. This, my hair? It's just insane. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all ready to be overwhelmed. Today is going to be a long video. If there is one topic that people are always asking me questions about, it's my hair. I get constant questions about my hair to do with the colouring, the styling, the condition, absolutely everything. My hair has been through the ringer. Like, I'll just give you a little bit of a backstory because I don't want to talk for too long. When I was 12 or 13, my hair went to a mousy brown, and I originally was this colour when I was younger, and I was like, oh my god, I really want to be that colour again. So I started bleaching my hair, I started dyeing my own hair, had absolutely no idea what I was doing, just did it. And then started going to the local hairdressers and getting them to do the highlights and everything, and I was probably that colour for about 5 years. Then my hair was just in horrendous condition. It had totally broken off. I had layers that were like up here. So then I decided, this was at like the time when Rihanna red was like huge, so I decided to go red. I'll insert a picture here just for fun. And I started off a really bright red, and then I went like a dark burgundy red. And during this time, surprisingly, although red is entirely, like, red is so hard to upkeep. You constantly have to be colouring it, dyeing it, using conditioners. So yeah, so although red is hard to upkeep, I wasn't using any heat on my hair. My hair was in such poor condition that basically what I was doing was getting extensions, and then I had my hair half up, half down, and I had it like that for about 2 years. So then after that period of time, once my hair grew, it was getting to a really decent length, and I thought, you know what, I just want to go back to basics, go back to a natural colour. So I went back to like a light brown. Again, I'll insert a picture here. Sort of since then, I have gradually gone to my current hairdresser, who is incredible. She has got me eventually to this colour, but it took such a long time. It's took a lot of products, if you guys could see the layout in front of me. And over the years, I've spent so much coin on hair products. It is disgusting. I now, finally, after 10 years, I'm really happy with my hair products. I have found hair products that have just changed the hair game for me completely. Now, my hair is in no way, shape or form in amazing condition. It is still dry, it is still damaged. You know, that is purely just because of my hair colour. It is so blonde. It is getting bleach on it every 5 to 6 weeks. It is getting toners put on it. So it's never going to be in amazing condition. And especially recently, I went on holiday and didn't necessarily look after my hair the way I should have. I then come back and got lots of highlights done, and especially the back, like I have some breakage, you can see, but my hair is definitely in a lot better condition than it was, and it's thanks to these products. I have also been getting hair extensions. I've probably had them for like 6 years now, but with my current hairdresser, who I believe has the best of everything, I've been getting them for about 3 years. But yeah, so I get the nano ring extensions, and to be honest with you, I feel like my hair's grown a lot. I know there's a lot of I cannot say the word. There's a lot of issues in, you know, the industry about hair extensions damaging your hair, and hair extensions this and hair extensions that, and blah blah blah. But I do genuinely think if you have the right extensions for your hair type and you have an amazing hairdresser, you shouldn't be having those issues. I do have 22 inches, and then I get them all cut in, so my hair is quite long. Also, I have retouch at the moment because, again, I am very good with my hair. I'll get it done sort of like every 6 to 8 weeks, and I will not touch it. But sorry, I have a really nosy neighbour. Like, hi, would you like to come on camera? Without further ado, let's get into the video and let's talk about these products. Now, like I say, there are a lot. I'll list them all below, and if you have any questions, please listen below, and don't forget to subscribe. I think the first thing I'm going to talk about is how I maintain my colour. I have a purple shampoo, which I'm going to talk about. Now, I will only use this every other wash. I do not use it every wash. The reason being is I have always found purple shampoos to be extraordinarily drying and damaging for the hair. This is the Insight in Colour anti-yellow shampoo, and this is my favorite purple shampoo. The reason being is because this is not a highly pigmented shampoo. Don't get me wrong, you put this on your hair and within 5 minutes it's definitely added a tone, but it's not to the point where it's going to make your hair purple or blue or anything like that, because again, that's some issues I've been through before with some of the purple shampoos. You literally put it on and before you've even got time to rinse it, you've got purple hair. This is also made with organic extracts. It's very naturally based, and this is quite gentle on the hair. For a purple shampoo, this is probably the most gentlest one I have found. And then to go alongside that, I use their conditioner, but this is the damaged hair conditioner. This is insane. This conditioner is the best hair conditioner I've ever used in my life. It's really strange because when I actually first got this, I brought this from my hairdresser, and I remember getting it out the pump and it was like really light and kind of like watery, and I was like, this isn't going to do anything for my hair, like my hair's going to laugh at this. And literally put it in for like 5 minutes and I was like, yeah, let's just rinse this out. My hair was like silk, like it's insane. This is amazing, but it's not heavy, it doesn't leave loads of residue, it's like, it just rinses out so nice. It is incredible. I love this conditioner. So going back to the colour as well, another thing that I really love to use is the Jerome Russell Be Blonde Maximum Colour Toner. Now again, I don't use this often. This is in extreme circumstances, so perhaps if I've been on holiday and the sun's bleached my hair and it's gone a little bit yellow, or perhaps I haven't used a toner, I will use this. So this, as I say, is the silver one, so you can get the platinum one. However, I found for me it just didn't do anything. This is very strong, so if I do use this, I only use this for a couple of minutes and rinse it straight off. If you have yellow in your hair and nothing is getting it out, try this, because I'll be amazed if this doesn't work. And then the final product I swear by is the Scott Cornwall Colour Restore. This is the Cool Ash one. Now, this isn't the cheapest product. It's about £12 and you don't get a ton of product. However, incredible. Again, this is anti-orange toner, but it's like a conditioner, so if you want to put a bit of tone in your hair, or perhaps you've just bleached your hair and it's really damaged, this is really good at conditioning your hair as well. This has a very light purple pigment, so it will get rid of any orange or yellow, but again, it's not strong enough to stain, so you're not going to get purple or blue hair. Okay, so let's move on to hair masks. I basically have like a routine. So I wash my hair twice a week. One of those days I will use one hair mask, and then the other day I will use the other hair mask. So I will use my Olaplex number 2. I did used to use number 3, but then I actually got access to a Sally's card, and my friend told me, who is a hairdresser, that the number 2 is a little bit more pigmented, so I just went and purchased a big bottle of that. It is expensive, but it is life-saving. What I will say with the Olaplex is don't expect it to make your hair feel amazing, because that is not its job. Olaplex is there to repair the hair from the inside. It's not there to make your hair feel soft, incredible, but what it will do over time is help repair those strands, stop breakage, and make your hair stronger. So I will use that every other time, and straight after I've used that, I will use a deep conditioner, because again, the Olaplex doesn't make your hair feel lovely. And we want that. We want the hair to feel lovely. So this is the Joico K-pak Intense Hydrator, and again, best deep conditioner ever. My hairdresser recommended me to this. I bought a tiny bottle of her and I was hooked, and I went and got the large one from Amazon. This just makes your hair again feel like silk. If you've got hair extensions that are feeling a bit crappy, this will make them feel brand new. It's just insane. I keep that on for a minimum of half hour, but you can leave it on for an hour and a half, whatever you feel is best. And it just makes your hair feel so soft. It's like you get up the next day and you're like, oh, is this my hair? Is this my hair? That's literally what you like. And then my second wash, I will use my oils. So I use the 100% organic raw coconut oil. Again, you can buy this from anywhere. I will take a spoonful of that and I will mix it with argan oil. So this is 100% argan oil. So I'll just take a couple of pumps of that with the coconut oil and I'll mix that in. And I will put that through my hair, through dry hair, and I'll leave it on for an hour. Again, it doesn't make your hair feel really soft. You have to make sure you really shampoo it out after to get all those oils out, especially if you suffer from oily hair anyway, or greasy hair. However, it kind of over time, again, makes your hair stronger and like rebuilds the hair. It stops it from breaking. So again, I will always use the Olaplex or the oil, shampoo, condition. I will never skip a condition. So then in terms of styling products, so the first thing is my rejuvabeads, and this is by Monat, and this is the split end mender. Now again, what I will do once I've towel dried my hair, I will put a couple of pumps of this in. It's not heavy, it's not oily, it's not greasy, it's just like a light leave-in cream. This has just helped my hair look healthier. I'm sure it's done some other things as well and stopped breakage, but you know when you're like blonde and you have all those little flyaway hairs and your hair just looks broken, this stops that. It just kind of smooths everything down and just makes it look healthy and adds shine. Similar product, or something that I found quite similar, is the Olaplex No. 3 Bond Smoother. Now I will actually use this and mix it with the No. 7 bonding oil and put this throughout my hair. Now again, I alternate my products because my hair gets really used to them. So one wash I'll use the rejuvabeads, and then the next time I wash my hair I will use these two together. Now as for oils, because I do love a good hair oil, especially with extensions, because it can be like, ugh, especially in the summer, my hair's like no. So I use the Insight, again, styling liquid crystals. Ladies, insane, insane. I've tried so many hair oils, so many, all the high-end ones, all the low-end ones, drugstore, whatever. This product makes your hair feel so amazing and smooth. It gives like a gorgeous shine, and it doesn't go greasy. Like I can use 2 pumps of this and my hair doesn't feel sticky or greasy or have like oily bits in. It's insane. It is insane. Like I love this product. And particularly on hair extensions. Something that I like to do quite often is before I go to bed, I'll put a couple of pumps of this on before putting my hair up or back or whatever I'm doing. And in the morning I wake up and it just feels, whew, that's all I'm gonna say. Now, as for heat protectant, I've got 2 that I like, and again I alternate them because which one I prefer. It's like a love-hate relationship. I'm a bit of a hoarder. I don't want to get rid of one of them because I can't make a decision, so I just incorporate both into my life. So the first thing is the Morroconoil, and this is the Protect Heat Defense. Now I like heat defenses that have like a aerosol spray. This protects up to 230. It's weightless, so, and that is true, it doesn't leave any texture to your hair, it doesn't leave any residue, nothing like that. You don't even feel like you've used any product on your hair. This would be amazing, particularly for people with really oily hair that get greasy quite easily. And then one of my other favorite products, which seemed to be like impossible to get hold of, I had to get this off eBay in the end, Catwalk Hot Iron Spray from Tigi, is that right? And this is heat protectant, but it's also got an element of shining. So imagine taking like a heat protectant spray and mixing it with like a lightweight oil. This is what this is like. So you have to be a little bit careful with this product because if you put too much on, your hair can feel greasy. All you literally would do is just something like that. What I will say is like platinum hair is not easy. Like if you're thinking of going platinum blonde, really consider it. For me it's like an all-arounder because I've got platinum hair, so I really have to take care of it, and I really have to do things like, you know, having my hair wash takes me an hour and a half, whereas for some people it's really quick. Blow drying my hair is again like 40 minutes, so I really have to schedule in my hair washes, but it's something that just can't be rushed because it makes such a difference. And then obviously I've got extensions as well, which is even more upkeep. So just make sure if you're going to do it, you're going to do it right. And I think platinum hair is amazing as long as you put the time and effort into it. Do not expect to go platinum blonde and for it to be really easy. Last thing I want to talk about is hairbrushes. I had quite a few. I like the wet brush, but I find, especially for like my real hair, it can tug a little bit. I actually love the just basic plain tangle teaser. Obviously it's black. I mean, did you guys expect anything else? And I love it. It glides through the hair really easily, and it definitely has helped my hair with no breakage. Please invest in a hairbrush. Again, it is so important. So that is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you've got any questions, please leave them below. If you want me to do a video on anything specific, please also leave that below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.